How to invite someone to FPL League. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There are different options by which you can invite friends to your Premier League. So in order to do so, the process is simple. However, the option is not available in the application, so you need to use the website version. So head over to any of your preferred browser and go to fantasy.premierleague.com and log in using your correct credentials. Once logged in, from the option, go to Leagues and Cups. Here you will see all of the league that you are a member of. Go to the league that you want to invite and then tap on the gear icon next to it. Tapping on the gear icon, it will take you to another page from where you can invite players. Tap on the button and here are 3 ways to invite players. The first one is copy the auto join link and send it to the players. Second is share league code by email. And the third is copy email text and send it to them. So this is how you can invite someone to FPL League. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.